things. Okay. So I'm going to share one screen with you first, and that screen is the website of KonarClasses. So first, what you need to do, dear students, is that you need to go to this website first, www.konarclasses.com, and you need to log in first, and log in with your, I'm just logging with my demo account. So same thing is there for you as well. And after that, what we do is that you click into the right practice test. Okay. And after that, you go to the atomic structure, for example. Okay? Any topic you can think of, you can write here is that atomic structure. Okay. If you see the structure of atom, okay. Structure of atom is there, class 11 topic, unit 2, structure of atom. And then you click into the find online material. And then click on this. And whatever you are going to get it, dear students, you are going to get all the lectures available here. Okay. So the books, what I recommended, okay, and study material also I will provide. So that book you need to follow, and you need to go through these video lectures. It is very well explained. Okay. And these are the basic level of videos. So from where we get these videos? Generally, we get these videos from YouTube and from other sources. And whatever we run it here, we run it actually a YouTube video is actually getting run. Okay. So if you run this one, so it is very well explained. I really appreciate the way this sir has explained. So it is running on YouTube. So you click here, and so you see the Bohr's atomic model, how well it is explained in Hindi. Similarly, thing you will get in English as well.
मॉडल की by talking about बोर ने क्या-क्या postulates दिए हैं उस एटॉमिक मॉडल के बारे में. बोर के एटॉमिक मॉडल के 4 इंपॉर्टेंट postulates हैं. जो पहला postulate है वो ये कहता है कि किसी भी एटम में एक न्यूक्लियस होता है और उसके अराउंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिवॉल्व करते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जब न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करते हैं वो फिक्स सर्कुलर पाथ्स में रिवॉल्व करते हैं और इन फिक्स सर्कुलर पाथ्स को बोर ने नाम दिया ऑर्बिट्स या स्टेशनरी स्टेट्स. इनको इसलिए ये नाम दिया जाता है क्योंकि इन पाथ्स की एनर्जी भी कांस्टेंट होती है और रेडियस भी कांस्टेंट होती है. ये पॉस्टुलेट की इंपॉर्टेंस ये है कि रदरफोर्ड के मॉडल की बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ड्रॉबैक को एलिमिनेट कर देता है. रदरफोर्ड के हिसाब से इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड मूव करे तो इवेंचुअली कोलैप्स कर जाएगा, बट बोर ने कहा कि एनर्जी क्योंकि कांस्टेंट वो एनर्जी लूज नहीं करेगा, कोलैप्सिंग कभी होगा नहीं. ये जो पाथ्स है इनको नंबर दिया जाता है. न्यूक्लियस के जो सबसे पास वाला पाथ है उसको नंबर दिया जाता है n = 1. ये n क्या है हम आगे देखेंगे. और जैसे जैसे दूर जाते रहते हैं हम न्यूक्लियस से, हर पाथ को 1 2 3.
So what you see here, that this is the way it has all the points are very well explained. Now it may possible that you get a particular point which is either not covered in any of these video lectures, or in that video lectures you have doubt in any point, then how to address it. Okay, so that you do let me know, and then accordingly I'll take it with the concerned teacher. Got it? Are you getting my point? Similarly, you can search for any topic, or if you find that any topic is is you are not able to get it, then you can let me know, and I'll help you to find it out. Okay, this is one thing. Same thing is for physics. Suppose motion in a straight line, for example. If you click into the motion in a straight line, and you find online material, and you find that there are a lot of lectures on motion in a straight line. Suppose you go to the kinematics. Okay, kinematic equations. So now here I found this particular teacher has explained.
Now we will go ahead and study the kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion. So now our study will focus only on uniform acceleration. that is uniformly accelerated motion. Initial velocity, final velocity, and acceleration. Now, what was the need for deriving the kinematic equations? Basically, our aim of studying the physical phenomenon or the phenomenon related to motion or mechanics is to use it in our day-to-day life. Now, with the help of these equations, we will be able to calculate the values based upon the data given. So there were three equations, those are the three kinematic equations which relate all these quantities and with the help of which we are able to.
So in the similar manner, if you want to look for a topic called trigonometric functions, for example, click here online material, and you'll find there are lectures given by me in this case. Okay, so you'll find that it is the lecture given by me. Now in this way you need to make your theory clear in terms of. Okay, so did you get my point? What I'm talking about, is it clear to all of you, dear students? Same thing is there for biology as well. So these are fundamentals. If you see, these are all the basic level of material. And after that, I will also provide the intermediate and advanced. But let's go step by step. Got it now? So first, it is the basic level material. Okay, go through this thing, look into the books, whatever is there. After that, if you have any doubt, exactly let me know what are the doubts you have. Is it clear? My statement is clear to all of you, dear students?
Yes.
Okay. And then see, never compromise with your learning, as I always say. At the same time, you can learn at your own pace and at your own time, at your own comfort level. It may possible in school, some student is going through atomic structure, but some students are going through organic chemistry. Possible, no issue. Those who are going with atomic structure, they go through the atomic structure. Those who are going with the organic chemistry, let it go to organic chemistry. But yes, what you need to solve, whether it is atomic structure or organic chemistry, you need to land up with this DPP. So for example, here you will write structure of atom, STRECTU. What happened? STRECTURE, structure of atom. Yep, you see. DPP, you see, exactly the way you have done mathematics, not your students. All will get evaluated. You need to do this thing. First you take view paper details, all these things you need to write in details, dear students. And you will see the value of my statement later, that how important it is to solve these DPPs. It's extremely important, okay? Because you can only able to solve a relatively difficult problem, relatively complex problem, when you are completely aware of the fundamentals are clear and fundamental questions you are able to answer very well. Extremely important, dear students. And DPP is what? Everyday one physics, one chemistry, one mathematics. And you don't need to depend on anyone. But your DPP has to be, set properly. And, in batch, if you see, there is something called, if you see in the my reports, there is a two reports. One is that my batch target. I hope you are aware of it now. As long as in batch, whatever is going on, how we are going through it. So for example, this is the batch target status. Okay. Now, in the similar manner, you can create your own personal target. You can create your own personal target that, yes, I want to complete the structure of atom. You can find the structure of atom question from here. Got my point, what I'm talking about? So from here you can find the structure of atom. Yes, structure of atom, right? DPP. These DPP I am going to solve by tomorrow, and I want to achieve 100% here. And no reminder before days, one day you can write Okay, means it will give a reminder over email that you need to appear this paper and target status is actually open. And you can just set add. Why it is so, dear students? Because in batch one thing is going on. But apart from batch, you can have your own target. Correct? No, because batch something is going on. Now, as in my school, structure of atom is going on. Let me complete the structure of atom. What is the procedure? Go through the video lectures, appear for the DPP, then go for the practice test, then go for the unit test, module test, mock test, the same procedure. Keep on repeating and reporting. Okay, dear students. So with this, I would like to conclude the class now. So your task will be to go through these video lectures, and any difficulty at any moment of time, never hesitate to let me know. Okay. All right then, dear students. Thank you.
Thank you.